Welcome to Mahadyuta Technical Solutions Private Limited. We are a leader in industrial reliability, predictive analytics, asset condition monitoring, and energy-saving applications. Did you know that up to 30% of the energy used by your compressed air system can be lost to hidden leaks? That's right, energy you're paying for, but not getting any value from. Leaks in your pressure or vacuum systems might be small, but over time, they add up to big costs that drain your budget, waste energy, and even cause unexpected downtime. At Mahadyuta, we specialize in advanced solutions that help you optimize your operations. One of our core services is ultrasound leak detection, which uses state-of-the-art technology to identify even the smallest leaks in your compressed air, vacuum systems, and a wide range of gases like CNG, PNG, nitrogen, oxygen, and other pressurized system gases. Our ultrasound technology is also effective for detecting steam leaks, environmentally hazardous gases, and other types of fluid or gas leaks. Ultrasonic sensors detect the high-frequency sound waves produced by leaks, waves that are too high-pitched for the human ear to hear. Our equipment picks up these sounds, letting us pinpoint leaks quickly and accurately. Unlike traditional leak detection methods, ultrasound technology allows us to find and diagnose leaks without disrupting your operations. No need to shut down production or make costly repairs based on guesswork. We provide real-time results with precise leak locations, helping you prioritize repairs. After the inspection, you'll receive a detailed report that shows exactly where the leaks are and estimates the potential cost savings from fixing them. Here's how air leak audits can significantly reduce energy consumption. Initially, without any leak checks, the compressors use 138,000 units per month of electricity. After the first audit and fixing the leaks, consumption drops to 112,000 units. By the time we conduct the second audit and address more leaks, energy use decreases further to 98,000 units. With each audit and correction, the line keeps trending down, showing how systematically addressing air leaks improves efficiency and helps lower energy costs. By fixing leaks, you'll not only save on energy costs but also extend the life of your equipment, reduce maintenance, and keep your operations running smoothly. Ready to start saving? Contact Mahadyuta Technical Solutions Private Limited today for a comprehensive ultrasound leak detection service. If you found this helpful, smash that like, subscribe, and turn on the bell.